Morning, my dear students. Welcome back to online class of English first of class third. How are you all? Hope you all are fine there. Students, today in this video I am going to give you lesson number 11 remaining exercise. In my previous video I have completed exercise A and B. So not further delay, take out your book and open page number 58. Exercise C of lesson number 11. Here you can see. So here is demonstrative pronouns. In my previous video I have explained you pronouns. Here now demonstrative pronouns. So read the following sentences first of all. This is my book, these are my books, that is my pen, those are my pens. So this, these, that, those इन words को हम कहते हैं demonstrative pronouns. So this and these we use for the people and things. Those are near for us. जो हमारे पास में होती हैं चीज़ें उनके लिए हम this and these यूज़ करते हैं. And that and those are used for the people things that are far away. जो हमसे दूर होती हैं, farther होती हैं, उनको हम that और those के से explain करते हैं. Okay, so this that are called singular demonstrative pronouns and these those are called plural demonstrative pronouns. Now here when this that these those are used in the place of noun, they are called demonstrative pronouns. तो नाउन की जगह जब हम दिस दैट दोस को यूज़ करते हैं तो वो क्या कहलाते हैं? डेमोस्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन. नाउ कम ऑन द एक्सरसाइज. हियर पिक आउट द डेमोस्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. सेंटेंस एज यू ऑल नो दिस दैट दोज एंड दीज डेमोस्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउंस होते हैं. सो इसमें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज दिस. सो हियर दिस राइट हियर सेम एज दीज आर नॉट गुड शर्ट. दीज यू हैव टू राइट हियर. Third, that is a nice dress, so that you have to write here. Fourth, those are my friends, those you have to write here. Fifth, what month is this? This you have to write here. Sixth, these are my books, that those are yours. So here these and those you have to write here. Okay, in this way. Next, this is very old palace, so here this. Same as next, these are not ripe mangoes, so here these you have to write here. Ninth, both books are good but this is better than that, so this and that both you have to write here. The last, what was that, so here you have to write that in the blank. See here in this way. So students, now next interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns, here you can see first sentence, what is your name, which of them is the tallest, who are you. Next page, whom are you talking to, whose are these books. So जितने भी क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स होते हैं उन वर्ड्स को हम इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. दैट आर कॉल्ड आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस वर्ड्स प्रोनाउंस कहलाते हैं. सो हेयर योर फर्स्ट हेयर डी एक्सरसाइज यू सी राइट द करेक्ट इंटरोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस इन द ब्लैंक्स. सो फर्स्ट इज who invented the computer. Second, what is the problem with you. Third, which of these book is yours. Fourth, whose are these pens. Fifth, whom do you want to meet. Sixth, which is your aunt's house. Seventh, what is the news. Eighth, who broke this table. Ninth, which of them is the most intelligent. 10th, whose is this textbooks. So in this way you all have to write. You can take a screenshot after pausing this video. Now come on next. Reflexive pronoun. So here you can see, read the following sentences. First, the cat has hurt itself. Second, she looked at herself in the mirror. But these sentences show that doer of the action also receiver of action. In other words, the object of the verb refer to the same person, animal or thing or object. So जो words here you can see, जो verb same person, things और animal के लिए refer होते हैं उन्हीं को हम reflexive pronoun की तरह यूज़ करते हैं. On next page you can see here definition of reflexive pronoun. Pronoun which refer back to the same person, animal, things or does the subject are called reflexive pronoun. So here are the examples. Singular reflexive pronouns are myself, yourself, himself, herself, and plural are herself, yourself, themselves. Okay, so here are the fill up exercises. Here you can see first fill in the blanks with the suitable reflexive pronoun from the help list. Here is some help list. You have to fill from the use of this help list. First is my sister prepared the breakfast by herself. तो sister के लिए हमने क्या use किया? herself. This is singular form. sister singular है. So here we have used herself. Okay. Students, in your exam you will not get this help list. So you will have to prepare it yourself. Okay. Now next, I introduced myself to the class. Third, we often hurt ourselves due to carelessness. Fourth, the children hide themselves. Fifth, the rabbit dug itself a hole to hide in. Sixth, you will hurt yourself. He introduced himself. All of you must clean yourself. So ये all of you बहुत सारे लोग हैं. Plural is form is here. So here we have used yourselves. So students, your chapter is over. In my next video I will give you another chapter. So it is sufficient for today, and your homework is you have to learn all these exercises. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. I will meet you in my next video.